Hello everyone, my name is Mathieu Liénard and welcome to part 2 of the previous episode on streaming and recording a Pexip video conference meeting through Amazon AWS Media Services. So I said in the previous episode that this part 2 would be about recording the video conference meeting, but I will come back to the streaming part because in the previous episode I wanted also to explain you the behind the scene, which I couldn't do because it would have made the video way too long. So I'm going to do that into this part 2, and I promise part 3 will be about recording. Sorry for that. So we will have users connected to the video conference hosted on a Pexip Infinity conferencing node on AWS Cloud. The user will use voice commands to stream the meeting. Those commands will get the Amazon Echo to trigger an Alexa skill, which will interact with a Lambda function. That Lambda function is gonna launch APIs to the Pexip management node. Now, there will be interaction going back and forth between the Alexa skill, the Lambda function, and the management node to verify which meeting it is supposed to stream. So once the system has verified which video conference it is supposed to stream, the Lambda function will start the streaming channel on the Media Live service. Then it will trigger a step function. Now, why am I doing that? There is a very good reason for that. Because the Media Live service takes some time to start the streaming channel. So if I don't wait for the streaming channel to be fully running and instruct the Pexip conference node to stream right away, then I'm going to be streaming the media while the streaming channel is not up and running. And basically the Pexip conference node will disconnect. So we need that step function to basically loop and periodically check the status of the Media Live and wait until it is fully running. And once it is running, then it's going to start another Lambda function which will instruct the management node through API to get the conferencing node to start streaming to the Media Live service. Then the Media Live channel is gonna send the media to the media package, which will package it to be available on internet. Then the users can connect to the media package and get the streaming. And finally, the part I didn't demo in the previous episode, to stop streaming the video conference, the person will interact with Amazon Echo and trigger again the Alexa skill, which will run the Lambda function and interact with the management node through the APIs. Again, it will go through verifying which streaming are we going to stop. And once it's figured out which streaming it is supposed to stop, then it will instruct the conferencing node to stop the streaming, and it will close the Media Live channel. So I hope you enjoyed these explanations and this little behind the scene on how I was streaming my Pexip video conference meeting through the AWS Media Services. So see you next time for the next episode, which will be about recording this video conference meeting.